Hi everyone! Today we have a fresh ultrawide monitor to have a look at. This AOC CU34G2X is 34 inches large, has a resolution of 3440 by 1440p, 144 Hz refresh rate with FreeSync and 1 millisecond response time. I really like curved ultrawide form factor for monitors, as it gives improvements both on work and gaming side of using it, so let's see if this is any good. Unboxing and setup is easy and requires no tools. While we are here, let's take a look at connections. It has 4 USB 3.2 ports and 1 USB upstream port, for which, unfortunately, cable is not included in the box. We have 2 HDMI 2.0 and 2 DisplayPort 1.4 connections, and a headphone out. I would love to see a USB-C port as well, as I sometimes use my laptop for work, but I believe that for gaming-oriented monitor it is not the biggest requirement. But after setting everything up, it looks pretty good and kinda familiar, but I will explain in a bit. Finally, they have managed to create a decent sized base, which can fit on a simple man's desk. And the design is gamery, but not aggressively gamery, and you could use it probably in every environment without huge judgment from others. Of course, it gives all the adjustment you need to get it in comfortable position. And gaming with it is very good, but has a room for improvement. Let me explain. Gamers buy ultrawide monitors mainly to feel closer to the game, to feel the environment as good as non-VR solutions can. For maximum performance in CSGO and other fast competitive games, they will always choose a regular sized monitor. And for this immersive experience, it is too dim. 300 nits is not enough. As I live in a country where it is mostly dark, we can get away with it, but don't expect awesome user experience with it in a sunny day. And this actually is one of things why it feels familiar to me. I truly think that my daily Philips monitor is basically the same monitor, just with different controllers and USB-C port. Both colors and brightness seem familiar. They both even have the same USB hub, just in different locations. But it is not a bad thing. They are both good monitors, really good. But both with different kinks and meant for different usage. And of course, both are too dim. But here are a few notes I have. The USB hub I mentioned before, it is in very weird place, and you can't plug in a cable without turning the monitor around and being on your knees, searching for a hole. The menu system is kinda okay, but I feel like the power button is too far away from power light, and half of times I wanted to enter settings, I accidentally shut it off. I actually like gaming mode, which I usually don't, but after turning it off, monitor stayed with warm colors, and I wasted couple of hours color grading for a large project, only realizing that the colors are wrong. And as I can be critical, I gave it to my brother to have his opinion, and he really enjoyed it, only mentioning that he did not like menu buttons, so it is not just me. But that is pretty much all I wanted to tell. Leave any questions below, hit some like and subscribe buttons, and see you soon. Stay negative.